the people here, they need hope.
It's always the earthquake and tsunamis in our heart. We think about, well, people are in still temporary housing, people are still suffering. Are we okay just going back to our normal life?
What Samaritan's Purse is doing here is just amazing. They've been building homes, building lives, and building love here. A love that is from the one true God, and that is in Jesus Christ. For this community, it's a new story being written.
Samaritan's Purse responded just days after the tsunami by providing emergency relief items to the local church. We've served over 15,000 households through relief items. We are currently also running our construction program. To date, we've done almost 300 houses, and that program continues.
I think with what's happened has let the other leaders in this country see that Christianity can be a tremendous support to the growth of the country.
Since the Samaritan's Purse has been in Japan, we've been partnering with churches, we've developed relationships with community leaders, homeowners, contractors, and so our staff are working with the Billy Graham Evangelistic Association to promote the upcoming Celebration of Hope with Franklin Graham.
People need the hope of Jesus, and to have that opportunity for eternal salvation, they need something that will help propel them into the future, to let them know that people from all over the world care about Sendai.
You can see God's presence is coming in, and I think that's a hope that God's kingdom is just coming to this nation.
We've never seen anything like it in our lives, and I'm sorry, but I just cry when I think about what Samaritan's Purse is doing around the world for Jesus. So thank you very much.